What's your name? I'm sorry.
It's Jennifer.
Jennifer. Nice to meet you, Jennifer. Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
Hi.
If you were to name a card I couldn't possibly know, what card would you name?
You want me to say it out loud?
Sure.
Yeah. Jack of Hearts.
Interesting. Now, is there any possible way I could have known you were going to name the Jack of Hearts?
I certainly hope not.
Absolutely not, right?
No.
But if I could make that card appear out of nowhere, right here, right now at the bus stop, that would be incredible, right?
I'd have to see it to believe it. Right.
Yeah. Well, watch. If I just reach like this, one card literally materializes out of thin air. Now, if this was the card, what card did you name?
Jack of Hearts.
Moment of truth here, Jen. Have a look.
No way. No way. No way. Seriously? That's not possible. That is not possible. That is absolutely amazing. No way. This guy comes up to me and asks me to think of a card out of nowhere. Literally something that was in my mind. How does somebody know what I was thinking in my head? Out of thin air. I don't know what happened. I don't know how. It's not even possible. Unbelievable. This is the neatest thing I've ever experienced in my life. I'm in shock. It's absolutely amazing.